Hi, today I can show you how to make this designer sleeve. Let's start the process. This is the lace for the designer sleeve. Take the right pieces of the sleeve, fold the sleeve into half, mark the center area. This is the lining side. Mark a 2-inch point from the sleeve head area. These are the patches I am going to use for this designer sleeve. We need total 6 pieces for both the sleeves. I will show you how to make this. Fold the piece of fabric into 2 fold. Mark a half inch point. So half, then 1 inch point. Again the half inch point. Total you will get 1 inch strap. Cut the first half inch points and the next 2 half-inch points, so you will get a square piece with inner open side. It's very simple to make. So I made these pieces in canvas. Mark the area, give a third half-inch space for the lace placement, then attach the next piece. Mark the area. I'm going to attach the last piece, the third one. Make a half-inch point and then place the canvas. So mark this area properly and transfer the same point to the next sleeve. I'm marking these points on the lining area. Each piece having one fabric and one lining area. And mark the center point. Fold the center point clearly so we get the center area. Make a line on the lining side. Flip the fabric into the right side. This is the right fabric. So take a strip and place that strip on the center area of this sleeve part. Pin it properly. Then we can attach all these pieces here, all these canvas pieces here. Attach the first piece and pin it. And the second piece, pin it. This is the final piece. Both the sleeves are ready to sew. So you can sew through the inner area. Then you can cut that area. I will show you how to finish that. This is the one side I finished, so you can see this boxes, open boxes. So we can do the same with the other sleeve. I did sewing, so we can do the cutting. You can see that it's stitching very close to that corner. So you can do the cutting very close. You can give almost 1/8 to 2/8 seam allowance in that area. That's all you can cut it. Do the same with other two canvas. Smash the inner corner. Separate the pieces and cut the excess from both the sides. And I'll show you, you can flip the fabric strip to the back side of the lining area, so you'll get a clean finish in the right side of the sleeve like this. Do the same with the other 2 holes. And we can do the top stitch there. The inner side we can do a double turn sewing to get the clean finish. Just do a double turn sewing. I finished with one sleeve. You can see the designer sleeve in one side. The next side we are going to do. It's a very beautiful sleeve and very easy to make. Do the same with other sleeve. I cut that lace piece into specific measurement. You can do the measurement and you can follow this any measurements if you want the higher hole. If you want the bigger holes, you can follow the same measurement. So I'm going to sew this strip by hand or even through the machine you can do. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.